Assalamu alaikum, grade 9 students. Welcome back again and thank you for joining us on Edmodo. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to submit or turn in your assignments. So as you can see here, this is the main page, and on the right side, you can view the upcoming assignments that you need to turn in. You can view the assignments from here, or if you'd like to view all assignments together, you can go to your planner. So let's start first and try to submit the assignment that is titled under English Missing Work. I click here and then I view the assignment. Then I make sure that I read the instructions carefully. For example, for the English Missing Work, this is targeting the students who did not submit their work before spring break. So this is a chance for you in order to submit any missing work that you did not submit. You can get back to your teacher or go over iCampus and check which work you did not submit and make sure that you submit it here. How can I submit? I read the instructions. What do I have to do next? I go and I open the assignment, and this is the page that will come next. Okay, there are different ways to submit your assignment. You can create either a text response, a Word document, or a PowerPoint presentation or Excel. This depends on what is required from you. So again, you need to make sure that you read the instructions properly, and then you can start working from here. As you know, Edmodo can allow you to access Microsoft Office. Or you can do the work on your desktop, on your laptop, and then simply attach it from your computer. You can attach the file or the link or the file from your computer. Or you can simply open your folder and drag a file to this area. So for example, I'm going to show you an example right here. All right. So if I want to upload this file, this is my assignment and I want to upload it, I can simply select it, drag it from my desktop, and then dragging it here into this area. I need to wait for a few seconds. Once it's uploaded, then I can turn in my assignment. Then this message will appear and then I will hand in. All right, then this message will confirm that your work is submitted, and then as your teachers view your work, they can get back to you, inshallah, with their feedback. All right, teacher, what if I submitted the wrong work? Can I resubmit? Of course you can resubmit. You can go to the resubmit assignment, and then using the same way that we discussed before, you can upload your assignment and turn it in. All right, so this is how you can turn in assignments. Please make sure that you submit before the due dates. Make sure that your work is matching the requirements, and then you're going over the guidelines and the instruction before you submit your work. Remember, we're here to support you. If you have any questions, you can always get back to your teachers and send us messages, and of course we're going to help you as much as we can. Take care, stay safe. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.